been waiting for this for ages. We'll just have to see in a second. Can't wait for himself. So in here is all the parts to an apple press.
Set. Stuff and
I think I might have to get to work on this one. I'm now outside, the apple press is put together. I'm going to get sorting the apples. First, I'm going to grab my chopping board and my knife. Just going to start chopping all the apples up. So they go into quarters and they go into there. This basically makes them small enough so that they can be chopped up properly when they go in. If they're circular, they'll just keep spinning round and round. God. And we pull that out the bottom. Lovely. Mush.
There was one thing I didn't show though, and that was the wasps.
Do you want me to just be on wasp watch?
Wasp patrol, yeah. Sorry about the terrible audio. I got stung and it's like f***ing terrible. So I've taken tablets and
Well, after that catastrophe, we decided to move everything inside away from the wasps.
Okay, so here in the kitchen I'm doing the pressing. That's the utility room. They're crushing. So I made apple juice, which was really fun. Basically the whole thing was pretty much sidejacked by that wasp that stung me. But otherwise we made about 2 litres of apple juice, and we've got 2 500ml bottles in the fridge, and we've got 1 litre in the freezer. It tastes amazing. We had some earlier. I'm going to make another video to show you how to make this stuff, and I'll link the stuff I used down below. It was roughly up to a total about £96, including postage, but then again that can vary. Next video I'll be showing you how to make it.